Do you know why we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when the muscle under your lungs, called the diaphragm, suddenly moves without control. This quick movement makes your throat close for a moment, and that's why you hear the funny hic sound. It can happen if you eat too fast, drink soda, or even laugh too hard. To stop hiccups, try holding your breath for a few seconds, drinking cold water slowly, or swallowing a spoon of sugar. These tricks help reset your diaphragm. Fun fact: the world record for the longest hiccups lasted 68 years. Follow Fact Wired for more.